This bracket is here in order to box in the rear sway bar mount for the ND Miata. We saw this as a point of deflection here, as this portion of the body wasn't reinforced here, so we'd include this in our kit just to give you a little bit more positive driver feedback in the rear. These are Whiteline adjustable end links. These allow you to clock the ball joints whichever way they need to mount to the end link or the strut or the control arm, wherever your mounting point may be. But on top of that, they allow you to adjust the height independently from the ride height adjustment on your vehicle here to allow you to set a neutral preload setting on your bar, providing more positive driver feedback. So these allow you to either set a neutral preload setting, which is no preload at all on the bar, or dial in preload if you're on a left-hand heavy track or a right-hand heavy track, should you decide that you need.